Okay, so today we're going to be testing out this. It's called Invisible Waterproof Agent. It's supposed to stop leaks. And the way I'm going to do it is I put a bunch of holes. See, it's already leaked out. But I put a bunch of holes in the bottom of this Tupperware, so because I don't care about it. So I'm going to show you guys right now that it does in fact leak. Especially if I press on some of these, see all the water coming out. So it definitely leaks. I'm going to test it later on whenever I put this stuff on and make it leak proof. I'm going to put it on a paper towel so you can see if anything comes out at all. So I'm going to dry this off now, paint it on here, and you have to wait 24 hours after you put it on here. I'm going to do a few coats. I'm going to put a coat on here, let it dry, put a coat on here. I might do a third one. We'll see. I'm going to see how it looks. Okay, so I just painted it on there. You can see it does come with this brush. So if you don't have a brush, don't worry about it. It comes with one. And this is what it looks. I'm going to get some on the brush. Just going to show you what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to do one layer on here. But I'm going to do it extra thick. And we're going to see how just one layer does. And my dog's drinking down there. I don't know if you can hear that. But that's how it looks now. Like I said, I'm just going to do this one layer. I'm going to let it dry for 24 hours. I'm going to finish the video tomorrow. We're going to leak test it again. Okay, it's actually only been about 12 hours. And I'm going to go ahead and see if it's leak proof. You can tell, I don't know if you can see it on here, but you can really look, and if you look at it real close, you can see that it filled a bunch of those voids. So I have my towel here. See, it's completely dry. Let's see if, hopefully this, I'm going to pour it over here just in case I leak some onto the table. I don't want to get it false. Let it sit for a few minutes. So I'm going to come back, see if it's dry. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's see if the bottom, bottom is dry. I'm going to give it some pats. And yeah, it's dry. So this thing has a ton of cracks in it. I put like 3 or 4 holes in it, a bunch of big cracks, and it's not leaking out of this. And this is very flexible. So from this little test, I can say this stuff works pretty dang good. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.